How to sign up for Flybuys. If you also want to get started with Flybuys and you're trying to create an account of it, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow to successfully create your account. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Open up your web browser and in the search bar search for Flybuys sign up. Once you search for this, you can see this option called Flybuys register. You can just click on this link and it's going to take you to the registration page. Now to log in or create your account, you can see it says new to Flybuys. You can just click on create account and choose how you want to get rewarded. So you can look at the details right here and choose your option and click on confirm your choice. Once you do, in the next section, it's gonna ask you how would you like to access your card. So if you do want to have a card also, not only the mobile app, you can check this box. But if you don't want the card and you can access and use your card from the mobile apps, if you want that, you can click on continue. And now you just need to fill in these details. So firstly, type in your first name and your last name. Type in the email address. Make sure that the email address is correct because you're gonna get a confirmation link so that you can confirm your email ID. Next, type in your date of birth. Type in your gender and then your home address. You'll also need to type in your postal address, but if your postal address is the same of your home address, you can check the first option. If not, you can select different from home address and then fill in the details. And lastly, you need to add in your contact number. So add in and fill in all these details and just click on continue and you'll be successfully signed up for Flybuys. So that was the video of how to sign up for Flybuys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.